Courtney at Nurse Chevrolet Cadillac, and today I'm going to show you how to use Teen Driver. This feature is great if you'd like to review the driving habits of anyone you loan your vehicle to. Today, I'll be using this 2018 Chevrolet Cruze. However, the process is similar for all of the 2018 and 2019 Chevrolet models. To access your Teen Driver mode, you'll first want to start by clicking on your settings. Once you're in your settings, you'll want to click on Teen Driver. And then the system will prompt you. You'll hit continue. And you'll enter a 4-digit PIN. Once your PIN has been set, you can go ahead and click OK. Now, once we're in the Teen Driver menu, you'll see that we can register a key. Now, to register the key you would like to be used for the Teen Driver mode, you'll simply place that key into the key pocket down here. We'll click on registration. And it'll notify us that we're about to register our key. You'll see here that the system has successfully registered the key fob. Now that the fob has been registered, we can go in and manage our settings. This will allow us to set our audio volume limit. We can enable the Teen Driver speed limiter. We can also enable the Teen Driver speed warning. You can customize your speed warning by pressing either the plus or minus sign beside the speed warning section. You can also come in and change your PIN, and of course clear all Teen keys and PINs once you are finished using the Teen Driver mode. Now, once the vehicle has been returned to you, you can click on Report Card, and this will give you a snapshot of the driving activity. You'll see things such as maximum speed, distance driven, overspeed warning, along with things like stability control and wide open throttle. You can also hit reset, which will reset all of the values so the vehicle is ready to record the next time your teen takes the wheel. And that's all there is to it. For more videos on frequently asked questions, check out our FAQ playlist. Once again, I'm Courtney at Nurse Chevrolet. Thank you for watching.